Yeah.
We in the subway.
Huh? There's $18.
We in the subway. This shit cool like a motherfucker. Now y'all ain't never seen it. We gonna wait till that motherfucker come. Till then, guess y'all gotta talk to me. Know what I'm talking about? We just had a pretty good day today. We been kicking it and shit. Yeah, all that good shit. I guess we just waiting on the bus now. Train, whatever you call it. Subway. No foot long. Bye. Nah, I'm gonna holler back at y'all by the time train get.
This is my brother from another country.
Some of that Asian dude on that Canadian dude.
August 18th.
It's happened before.
Yeah, they crazy.
Dude, they hot down there.
I know, man.
See y'all. 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock.